Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here doing another makeup video, but we are in studio with a special guest, Gina. And if you watched my video from 2 weeks ago from 2017 Halloween, you'll recognize her. She did my look last year, which was a White Walker inspired Game of Thrones look. This year we're doing a Trixie Mattel inspired look, and I'm really excited. I really love her show. You know, if you happen to know what I'm talking about. But let's talk to Gina about her look, because she's here dressed in all sorts of stuff. This wig is a look, these eyes are a look. Let's talk about what you got going on.
So I'm going to the Sinister Creature Con, and I wanted to do some really fun makeup. Combining it with Harley Quinn I thought would be really fun, because I mean, it is a horror con, so why not? And it's Halloween time. So I decided to take a little bit of shadow under the eye and to create kind of a clown effect, but I want it to be melting. And then I added some red eye makeup, eyeshadow over the eyes. Of course, some red lipstick, and I did contouring as usual. Pretty flowy outfit. So that's what I thought I would do for the event. Just something nice and kind of spooky, but also Harley Quinn-ish.
So, shall we get started?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start with is the glue stick. So I'm gonna grab this.
I remember the glue stick. So you have to do this even if you don't have a lot of eyebrows.
Yep. And then, like Trixie said, we want to do kind of a circular motion. Just flatten the eyebrows down some more with the brush. Some cover up. With a synthetic brush, it allows for more of the cover up to be applied. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start applying the contouring.
I'm really excited about Trixie makeup. One of the things that I really like about the character of Trixie is that I really feel like she's taking drag to like another, I don't want to say another level, but it's like, I feel like her impersonation of women is really more of an impersonation of those who impersonate women. Drag compounded. Everything is over the top in drag in general. There's not really a very modest like queen in terms of like appearance. But I think Trixie takes it up to like the next level, and I don't know, it's just so fun. She talks often about people who try to be Trixie for Halloween and how she loves it, but she's like, you have to commit and you have to like do it all the way. And I wasn't sure if this was like something that I could even do on darker skin. I watched a few Trixie videos, and Trixie did talk about how you could make her look work on darker skin.
Lighter contouring on the chin. We're going to use a edge to help us.
I didn't watch any of their other videos, so I don't know if they are a queen or if they just wanted to try Trixie inspired makeup. But there was a YouTuber who was black, and she did Trixie makeup, and her interpretation of Trixie makeup like wasn't bad, and it was actually inspirational in that I could see that it can be done, and I can know that this is not going to necessarily look like too out of place.
I'm going to do things a little different than Trixie does. She does her makeup under her eye, and she adds the light color under the eye, and then she adds color in this crease, because you're trying to get those cheekbones.
Last year, my face itched so bad because I didn't know to really wash out the brushes before using them, and there was so much shed.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the color down.
I remember last year thinking like, wow, she was like really gentle.
Sometimes I use my hand, and I like to blend around the nose too.
Apparently Trixie likes to lick glue.
Oh yeah, she does. That was pretty amazing. It's like baby powder. So she looks a little spooky right now.
So what have you been up to since I saw you last? It's been like a whole year since we've seen each other in person.
Well, I got a new job. At the moment, I'm currently a secretary, but I've also been going to some events. Well, I'm an artist as well as stage makeup artist, so I will sometimes run some tables at the events, and when I'm there, I sell my works and I also give people advice. Oh, there we go. So her makeup is set. Okay, so far we did a lot of contouring. We first applied some glue stick, and then after it dried, we applied more glue stick. Now we're ready to apply some thicker color in certain areas because I really want to make dynamic makeup. So I mixed together some colors and we're just gonna blend it all out.
Do me right.
Oh, I will. Adding white. She's kind of going for creating a larger eye.
My next Struggle Beauty video will be at the plastic surgeons. That shit like snatched.
Take a little bit of black.
And this might look familiar. This is from last year's makeup. I didn't want it like mess up like my good makeup. So it's like a struggle because you want good Halloween like look, but you don't want to buy expensive makeup for doing Halloween makeup.
Just set some of this powder underneath. We don't want any of this falling and messing up our beautiful makeup. And we're gonna make an arch, like a wing coming up.
And was this, you added some saline solution to the...
We have some saline solution that we added, just a little bit, because we're just gonna barely dip it in and apply it onto the black.
I want to open my eyes so badly, but I know I can't.
And you can always use the cheaper stuff because it actually works quite well if you're doing a saline solution. You can use water too. I've always used water. It depends also on what is on top of your skin too, because sometimes it doesn't work very well if you have certain things, some kinds of makeup on your eye. And you don't have to make it thin, you want to make it a little thick because she likes it thick. Now I'm going to bring the wing down to make it look kind of like a large eye. And now we're going to go back in and we're going to darken some of these areas, and we're going to use the powder though. So we're going to start on the contouring now. See how it creates that nice crisp line? And then we're going to go over with blush because that's the next step. So you want to make it look really, really rosy. So we added a very dramatic look, and we're going to add some more darkness in a few other areas because it really creates some nice contrast. Cheekbones, that's what we want. We're going to add the lid to the eye because that's originally what she had done.
So do you know what you're going to be for Halloween this year?
Oh, I was planning on doing something involving Ariel from Little Mermaid because she's one of my favorites. But yeah, I've always loved Ariel. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the powder from the face from earlier, and we're going to kind of blend it into these areas. So we want to create that crease look like it's a natural crease. And then we're going to go in with a pink because she's using a pink wig. So we're going with a lighter color, just because she does more of a light color first and then she goes in with more dramatic colors.
You know what I remember from the 90s? Happy Meal toys. And like getting Barbie things in Happy Meal toys.
Oh, that was great. I remember those.
Now the toys, I don't know what the toys are about this generation, but
just add a little bit of color on top of that, the lines, to really finish off the Barbie eyebrow look. Okay, so we're going to go back in here underneath the brow and on top and add some more color. And then we're going to go in, and of course we're going to add powder under here, and then we're going to powder the eye. I feel like this is looking pretty good, and this is soon to be ready to create the glitter effect on the eye. And then we'll add some lashes, and they're really thick lashes, so we combined about 6 or 7 eyelashes together to create an extra thick eyelash. I'm going to just start adding in the glue. It's glitter glue actually. And start adding the glitter. First we're going to use a gray. First saying is that glitter fixes everything. Then we're going to add in a little bit of the rainbow glitter as well. So I'm going to add in the eyelashes. So this is the time. Let's breathe. Time of truth. Whew. This eyelash goes right here, and we're not putting it right here, we're putting it right in here. So, because it's supposed to go more in the crease. Oh, it looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna get myself like a million of these and just like glue it to my face. Oh. You should do all the drag queen events. That'd be fun. I'm just gonna hold this for a hot minute. What do you think?
I feel like I could fly away right now. Like I might just like...
And then we're gonna do the lips. It would not be Trixie if there was not an overline. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to the lips. What do you guys think?
Oh, honey. Honey, 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 honey. I feel like a crazy person, but that's okay. But like I've not seen myself, so I don't know what I look like. And obviously I don't have the hair or the outfit on, so that will like make the moment completely. All right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Honey. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. All right guys, so how do I look? Do I look like Miss Trixie? I hope so. I'm really excited to see what I look like because I honestly feel a little crazy. These lashes are like nuts. But I did want to thank Gina for coming back again. She was here last year, she came back this year, and I really appreciate that you keep coming back to do my makeup for Halloween. It's gonna be like a new tradition, I guess, for us.
I'm really excited to come back for next year, so thank you.
So Gina has to take off. She has a convention to go to, as she told us earlier. We're gonna go our separate ways at this time, but I'm really excited to show you guys my whole outfit, and I will text you pictures.
Thank you.
All right, Gina.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey guys, so my makeup's done. Gina had to take off, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the stuff that I was thinking I would wear for my costume. I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna wear, but these things definitely like lend themselves to like a Trixie Mattel or a Tracy Martel. Ooh, that's why I should be as Tracy Martel. Like, bitch, I'm Tracy. Ooh, yes. I can't wait to get dressed up, figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I can't wait for you guys to see me too. So, what do you guys think? Don't lie, I look bomb. Like, I look so good. This is such like a great pull off of a Trixie Martel look. Like, I'm so excited, I'm feeling myself. I can't fucking like believe that this came out so good. I've never done anything Trixie before. Luckily, I randomly had like basically all this shit. The only thing that's new is the bow and the hair, but everything else is legit something I've already had because I'm a gaudy bitch, but whatevs, it like works perfectly. And I was really not sure about the makeup, and you know, truth be told, I did have to touch it up a little bit. I did see myself in advance. There's no way to put this look together if you don't. I thought about that like too late, and it just wasn't something that made any sense to try and maintain. I did do some touch-ups, but oh my gosh, like together, like with the hair, the dress, the accessories, yes, bitch. Like, I feel like I look so good. Like, this came out so good, and I'm so excited. I'm really appreciative for all the help I had in putting this look together. This look came out great, and I'm really considering like wearing this to work, but I'm not sure. It's so extra, but it's so good. I feel like I almost have to. So I guess then if I do, I'll have to learn how to do my own makeup. Anywho, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. This look came out so good, and I'm so excited to show some folks. chiefly my dog. Last year she didn't care. This year she better. My cat's already spooked, so at least like, you know, I have that going for me. I can't like, this looks so good. It looks so good. Anywho, I'll catch you guys later. Please make sure you come back for more content, and I will catch you guys later. Happy Honey-ween. And close. Yay, we recorded some shit.